Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about how fast can you expect results with your SEO Monitor package. So this is a new package that I started offering, is SEO monthly package. It offers to optimize the website, fix any SEO issues, and improve your Google organic rank for your target keywords. So I started offering this package about 2 or 3 months ago, and majority of my clients are with me on average 5 to 6 weeks. So this is like the second month, their second month, and I can already see the results, the improvement, because I measure obviously a few times a week. I measure their traffic, their revenue, Google Analytics as well, and I can see how well they are improving. So majority of my customers notice the boost in traffic by 200%. This was like maximum 60 to 200% within the first 5-6 weeks. The revenue depends on how much traffic the website was getting at the beginning of the package, obviously on the conversion rate. But on average, the revenue improves between 30% to 300%, because this was also noticed on one of the websites of my customer. She's selling mala necklaces, and she noticed, she's been with me for about 6 weeks, and she noticed 377% increase in revenue, which was really amazing, and I continue delivering these results. So if you are looking to increase traffic, if you are looking to boost your revenue, especially now with the holiday season coming, with Christmas season and so on, please make sure to subscribe to your SEO Monitor package today. The link is below, and if you've got any questions, obviously do let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. And if you like this video, please click like underneath, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll speak with you soon. It's Maggie from Rock Paper Cup. Bye bye.